Welcome to the Henry B. Gonzalez Convention Center in San Antonio, Texas for ATCE 2012. And here on the exhibit floor, business is being done left and right. Thanks for joining us on SPE TV. I'm Ed Highland. SPE members have access to more than 400 booths on the exhibit floor this year. It's one of the benefits of being a member. SPE TV's Sarah Solomon has more. Sarah?
Thanks, Ed. There are a ton of benefits from being an SPE member, and I got a chance to catch up with attendees who tell me just how SPE has benefited their careers.
I've always enjoyed, the interfacing, networking, meeting a lot of people, making friends, but also the technical content. You learned a lot from the various ATWs and OTC, etc., and the papers at JPT, so it's just a great way of staying connected with the industry at large.
I've gotten to attend meetings which I find interesting and informative, and it might not be something that I'd normally see in my day-to-day work.
Make the most out of your membership by collaborating with other SPE members online, access papers and publications, and make a difference by volunteering.
And I've personally benefited greatly from it, benefited from volunteering to serve. I've served as session chairman. I've organized big-time conference for SPE. It gave me a lot of opportunity to network and to also acquire some experience in leadership.
For one thing, the main manual I use in teaching my technical writing classes, because I use it as a style guide, and I've got to tell you, the list of petroleum engineering terms in that manual is priceless. Whatever I have to pay for that, worth it.
And SPE is actually one of the major sources of technology. And whenever I need to look for something new technology or wanted to learn about something, I go to the SPE online and download these SPE papers.
To become a member, simply log on to SPE's website and click on the Join SPE tab. In minutes, you'll have access to member benefits. Memberships are good for 1 calendar year, running from January to December. Well, there you have it. Now, don't forget to renew your membership for 2013 so you can stay connected to all the latest technologies SPE has to offer and the E&P professionals from around the world. Ed, back to you.
New to SPE, cross-generational teams working together on a case study to solve industry-related challenges. This program is designed to help students and young professionals develop technical skills, soft skills, and work in teams to ultimately add value to the workplace.
This was an idea that we came up with in the Soft Skills Council, and we're partnering with SP's Talent Council and SP's Young Professional Coordinating Committee to bring this together.
SPE will welcome the new year with HSE Now, a web-based periodical accessible through the internet.
And looking at what's out there right now, what other societies are putting out, as well as SPE's own publications, there really isn't anything that specifically focuses on just HSE. We have some, you might find some publications out there that talk about just environment, others talk about just safety, but they're on a much broader scale, and this is really something that would help focus on everything that we're doing for the for oil and gas, for our folks that are in the upstream.
The special topical luncheon was all about challenges with hydrocarbon containment and what R&D is needed to solve those challenges. It's become a hot topic for recovery methods like hydraulic fracturing. Panelists talked about containing hydrocarbon during construction, production, and even after the well is abandoned.
These are significant issues for our industry to face, and the way we're going to solve them is collectively rather than individually. So this gives us a great forum for sharing ideas, stimulating thought, and hopefully getting things moving towards better and better solutions for hydrocarbon containment.
J.C. Kuna from Ecopetrol says the correct use of existing tools like blowout preventers and real-time data can help achieve containment. As part of SPE's focus on PFC, a panel of experts addressed the challenges that engineers and managers are facing in the projects, facilities, and construction discipline. Dick Wesney set the stage by focusing on risk assessment. He says that conventional wisdom makes project managers overconfident and that it's important to consider both risk, where probability can be assessed, and uncertainty, where it's impossible to assess the probable outcome. Part of learning is not repeating the same mistakes, and the day-long Facilities Technology Application session included presentations like this one from Egypt, where 94% of the oil wells require artificial lift.
It is a true sharing, and remember that in the ATCE we have something like 1,500 proposals for the papers. What you have seen here is 350. They are selected, they are the top quality of the papers, top quality of the people, top quality of the experience.
Systemization of the pore network is one of the most important yet challenging steps in 3D modeling studies. At a technical session featuring new technologies in characterization of unconventional reservoirs, attendees got new insights into the petrophysical properties of shale gas hydraulic flow.
We're not looking at ACM images or 3D images like we're looking today. In the past, that was not important to understand that nanoscale. So nowadays you have to understand from the very, very small features to translate that to upscale into the bigger features, actually how to make a good well.
The technical session on optimizing unconventional reservoirs was packed. The focus was finding the best completions practices with an emphasis on hydraulic fracturing, isolation, and staging technology in the Eagle Ford and Bakken reservoirs. Be sure to check in with SPE TV throughout the conference, and don't miss our separate video with highlights from the annual reception and banquet. For all of us at SPE TV, I'm Ed Highland. Thanks for joining us.